Ready?
Did you hear what she said?
Yes.
You go down, not up.
No, you
Or
go
is it up
against the
and
hair.
down?
You go up.
You don't go up.
Bobby, I don't know.
You don't go up. You go down. Kelly, you go down or up?
She doesn't do it.
Let me call Ron.
You go down. You go down. You were right when you said I remembered.
Oh shit,
You
Bobby!
got it on ball.
Bobby!
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, it has a
Oh
guard.
no!
It has a guard
no,
on it,
you
Mom.
better stop.
Why do I feel like,
I would stop.
She's
why do I
scared.
feel like this is a Vegas trip?
Yo!
Girl, I'm cutting back here. Better get out the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen. Stop. Oh, God. Here we go.
My hand's gonna bet to hold this up. Now, hold on.
You do that.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Grandma.
Now here she comes.
I know, but you don't want it.
Oh!
You should have left it alone. I told you to leave it alone. It looked okay to start with. Now you're gonna have to do some painting back there for sure. Girl.
I thought there was a guard on there.
No. You're gonna have to use some paint.
Oh, Bobby, no. It's okay.
It's okay.
No, it's not. No,
I'm gonna fix it. I don't have the clippers in it anymore.
no.
That means just take a little
She
look.
messed you up. Oh shit!
You're gonna paint that.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Oh my god!
I'm serious. You're gonna paint that.
Let me
part.
just see. I'm not doing it anymore, Mom.
Oh,
That's just a cone.
oh my god!
It's just the
Oh no!
Okay. All right, hold on.
Lord. Mom,
There's no
Listen.
guard on here?
listen.
It's a mess.
Granny.
Oh, Mommy. Oh, Bobby.
No more.
What?
No more.
I'm,
Put him down.
she's gonna beat me up
Yes,
now.
I am.
But Granny, I didn't know. I'm thinking there's a guard on there.
You're the
Let me-
guard.
Oh my
I
gosh.
know what. Get some scissors, some clippers, and I'm just gonna cut it.
No, it's not funny. It's not funny, Kelly.
I need some clippers.
It got just real
You not
serious.
see him. Turn around. I
I need some clippers.
Oh my gosh.
I have some clippers.
I feel so bad.
Let me see. I'm gonna pee on myself. Let me see, girl. See what we can do with this. No. No more. We're gonna have to put some charcoal over that. Seriously speaking, I'm serious. Kelly said, oh God.
Oh god.
Look,
Oh my god.
Kelly,
She wasn't
Kelly
ready.
turned beet red.
She wasn't ready.
Who wasn't ready? Bobby?
None of us. Mom. Okay.
Oh gosh. It's just a birthmark.
Okay, Mom.
Huh?
We just gonna wrap your head, okay?
Granny said put charcoal on it.
Oh, Granny have to do the rest.
No,
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 I'll take some scissors.
no, yeah.
Scissors. Oh Lord, my eye.
She can't do it.
I'm doing.
Turn
Um,
around.
It's okay.
Turn around. I want to
Well,
see.
yeah,
I just
but
had the
hold
comb.
on.
Oh, shit. Turn around. Turn around.
Oh man, let me see. Oh God! What did I do like that? Was it Carol? I was doing her eyebrows and did
I think
what?
it was.
Oh God!
Oh my.
Oh no! There's no! You can't.
I know. When you hush, you know what? What you have to do is you're going to have to just put some.
Remove it all.
No, She's not gonna do that. All you have to do is you're gonna have to
Mom,
take a
I'm
Yes, you are. Ouch! Ouch!
I'm not gonna take off. I'm not gonna fill it in.
No, you can't do that.
I'm not.
Wait, so you got all of it.
Hair.
That's it.
Oh, that's a mole.
I'm gonna pee on myself. You guys don't shut up.
Oh.
Do not.
Oh.
Do not go out there.
Okay, seriously.
I'm just gonna
I'm
get
trying to see
a
it.
headband.
That's what I said. We just have to cover it. Headband.
Give me a headband. When she's just trying to comb it.
It's not gonna go away.
No, I'm just trying to see.
Why'd you want it cut anyway?
I just wanted it trimmed down a
If
little.
it had a guard on it, it would have been fine. Bobby was like, "This doesn't have a guard on it."
Wait. Wait.
No.
You should have known from the time she plugged it in. And she said, whoa.
And he said, oh!
Yeah,
It wasn't bad at first. No, at first it wasn't, but then it got
She
worse.
kept going.
But then she kept going.
Okay. I need to find
Have you
a
seen
headband. Have I seen it when she moved the thing? Oh, it's cold.
Oh, gosh. Okay, let's see what we can find you.
A headband.
Mary says she's on her way.
Oh, Mary's going too?
I didn't know. I didn't think so, but I guess she is.
Oh.
Oh,
Has she
It's
seen it?
it's a really funny story.
this is hilarious. I feel like Vegas. Can we find a headband?
Is
Okay,
it really
alright.
good?
Funny story.
All right, here, I'm going to